Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mehek and today I'm going to unbox another bag with you. So let's dive into it. Recently I retired two of my most favorite bags. One was from Charles & Keith and the other one was from Steve Madden. So I thought, why not just get over this trauma by buying another bag? So here we go. I got this new bag from Juicy Couture. JC is one of my favorite brands and I do own a tote from this brand right here. Let me take a minute to adore the packaging. I love the packaging. Now let's open it. Ooh. This is the box. I love the way that they've packed it, like all tight and secured. It's all secured, the charms, the brand name, everything's secured. Price tag that we're not gonna have a look at. So now let me show you the charms that have come. This time they haven't given the JC charm. Oh wait a minute, they have, but it's in a heart-shaped thing. Now look at these charms. They look so beautiful and classy. The sling. It is very spacious. Great. I am literally obsessing over this bag right now. So basically this bag has 3 divisions. 1, 2, and this is the third one. And here is a tiny little zip. Also this bag comes with a sling. Here is the sling of this bag, but I would like to carry it this way only without the sling. I've emptied the contents and as you can see, it is super spacious. It's a small bag, yet it is very spacious. I really can't stop adoring it. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, cheers.